In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Facebook Dating active status. By the end, people on Facebook Dating will no longer see when you are active or recently active. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. On Android or iPhone, look for the familiar blue Facebook icon on your home screen or in your app list. When you tap it, Facebook will open to your usual feed or whatever screen you last used. Now tap Menu. You are looking for the three horizontal lines icon. On many iPhones it sits at the bottom right, and on many Android phones it is near the top right. When you tap Menu, you should see a new screen with your profile picture, shortcuts like Groups and Marketplace, and a list that includes Settings and Privacy. Next up, tap Settings and Privacy. This will expand a small panel. Instead of taking you to a whole new page, you will see extra options appear right under it, including Settings. Beginners sometimes miss this and think nothing happened, so check for that small list opening up. From there, tap Settings. The settings screen is longer, so you may need to scroll. At the top, you will usually see sections for account, preferences, and audience and visibility. This is where Facebook keeps controls that affect Messenger and Facebook Dating, even if it does not say dating by name. Now find active status. Scroll slowly and look for the section that mentions how people see when you are active. You might see a short description about allowing people to see when you are active or recently active. When you spot active status as its own row, you are in the right place and can move on. Once you see it, tap Show when you are active. This opens a dedicated active status page. Here you should see a single main option with a switch beside it. If the switch is blue or positioned to the right, that means your active status is currently on, and Facebook Dating can use that to show you as recently active. Now turn the switch off. Tap the switch once so it moves to the left and usually turns gray. The screen will briefly update to reflect that change. On many devices, as soon as the switch is off, your active status is disabled for both Facebook and Facebook Messenger, which also stops Facebook Dating from showing you as active. If you see a confirmation, tap Turn Off if prompted. This prompt is Facebook just double-checking that you really want to hide your activity. After you tap Turn Off, the prompt disappears and you stay on the active status screen with the switch still off. You have now turned off the active status that Facebook Dating relies on, so your dating profile will no longer show you as active or recently active. If this helped you stay a bit more private on Facebook Dating, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple Facebook walkthroughs.